So today we're gonna make a Poolish because you've already seen how we do day 2 on baguette. So we're gonna go back in time and do day 1, which means I lose my gray hair, some wrinkles, awesome. I have over here a little fresh yeast. I have a little water, and I have some flour. This is T65, also known as bread flour. If you wanna know more about fresh yeast, you also have to come see me. So the yeast goes right into the water. Oh yes, check that out. And I'm just going to mix it in. There we go. You can use a whisk or a spatula, a fork, a knife, a spoon, who cares? Doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to take my flour and put that in all at once as well. There we go, boom. And I'm just going to mix this in until I get a really nice homogeneous mixture, okay? Honestly, there is no right or wrong way for mixing it in here. Just do what feels good. After we've mixed all of this in, we are going to let it sit overnight, one night at room temperature, okay? So can we see? There's still some lumps, check that out, doesn't matter. Lumpy is totally fine. Think if you're making pancakes, lumpy is fine, don't overmix. Clean your sides because otherwise that's going to dry out and crust over, that's not good. And then a little bit of plastic wrap right here. There we go. And we're gonna leave it sitting overnight. Now because this is Magic TV land, in my magic fridge, no it's not a magic fridge, I have this Poolish that I already made. This is a smaller batch, okay? But what I can see is that it has bubbled up a lot. It's like that crazy glue, glue, glue. The monster from wherever, the monster from the deep. So basically what I'm looking for is I want to see some bubbles. I want it to be nice and elastic, and I'm just going to show you that really quickly. You can see how elastic that is here. Can you guys see that? If it's liquid, it has been out too long, and unfortunately you have to start over. So there you go. Don't put it in the magic fridge because 1, the Poolish has to stay at room temperature, and 2, there's no such thing as a magic fridge. Anyway, come see me at Cooking with Class and we will make some more cool goodies together. Bye.